Hey guys, it's Marco from Nari Media, and today I'm going to show you something even cooler. Okay, so I was messing around in the back end of Google AI Studio, and I figured out how I can build an app even quicker, less than 5 minutes, one prompt, and this is really like vibe coding. It's not like Firebase Studio where there's a little less control, but it's more just chatting into Gemini. So this is how you build an app with Gemini in minutes. So I'll show you how to get there. Step one. You go into Google. If you don't know where to go, it's you can just type in Google AI Studio, or you can go aistudio.google.com and it'll lead you here. All you need to get access is a Gmail account. And then you click on here and this will lead you to the backend. Now, when you're in the backend, there's quite a few features in here. And I have been going through a bunch of tutorials of the features of Google AI Studio. It's built into Imagen, VO3, they have the audio. But what you want to do is on the right bar here, you have chat, you have stream, generate media, and build. So you go to the build. Now this is where you build apps with Gemini. It's experimental because it's new, but it's super cool. So you can start from templates. They have a bunch of templates here if you want. And also you can go to your apps here. I've been playing around. You can see quick here. I did this breathwork one I did in like 2 minutes. So you just, all moods, you can say you're calm, and you can choose everything. Voice guidance, you can choose a different path. And press start, inhale, hold, exhale. Most of the times I always recommend go to Gemini in general and say, hey, I need a prompt. I'm working with your new AI Gemini app builder and I need a prompt to build an app. Can you give me the instructions? Because sometimes it's how the better the input, the better the output. So you need to know how to chat with it, but let's keep this really simple. I'm just going to say, I want an app on my phone for, content creation rates. So watch this, watch how quick this is. All right, so just like that, I just want an app to calculate rates for social media content. You can use average prices and standard rates for images, shorts, long videos, content. So let's see what it makes here. When you're in the back end, on this side here is your code assistant. This is all you need. You're just chatting straight with Gemini and it can build you the app. If you want it to do any pulling or use the brain, which is the large language model, you get your API key here and you can give it to it, which is also free. And on the right side here is where the app is going to show, and you can save it, download it, launch to deploy Cloud Run, and share the app with people. Let's watch this live. I might speed this up. This is a good app to go, like let's say you're out at a meeting and someone's spitting out, I want this video and that video and this much content. You could be send them the app. Here's my rates. Just put it in the app and you'll know how much it's going to cost you. I didn't even give it, you could do deep research as well and, go into Gemini and say, hey, I charge 300 or 1,000 depending on your followers. It's very subjective. And your demo, let's say you have 1 million followers. I charge $2,000 per video or whatever, $5,000 per video. Or let's say you have no followers. I charge $150 per video. So that's where you want to maybe estimate. I just said get the average, standard average off. If it's going to search the web, it's going to do all that for me. You can see here it's still handling some errors and analyzing them. And here's your files. This is where all the files are if you need to go in and do anything custom. You can also take screenshots. Oh, just like that. That was maybe 4 minutes. So look at this. Okay, let's test it out. Choose the platform. Facebook. Choose content. We want a short, less than 60. There you go. Bang. Quantity. Do they give you discounts? Okay, now let's do a long video. Okay, let's say TikTok. Choose content. We want an image. I don't know if they do image. Yeah, short. There we go. So a short on TikTok, $4.50. Now how about Instagram? How much is a short on Instagram? $3.50. YouTube, short, $2.50. Okay. This is the final tip. I just wanted to show you how quick it is just to get your MVP. This is your minimal viable product to send out. But you could just say, watch this. All right, so I just said, this is where you make changes, right? So I said add a minimal black and white design, add some neon glow to make it more futuristic. So I'm going to change the color quick, and this is how you would bounce it back and forth. You could say, oh, you know what? My YouTube shorts are actually 350 or 650, and maybe you could also say prompt it, discount. So once they get 3 or more videos, or once they do over 10, it goes to like enterprise. So if you're doing over 10 pieces of content, we just do a flat rate, and that's that. You get up to, et cetera, et cetera. So you'll see how quick it can change. It's going to change the CSS, which is the styling of it. And then to reload your app, there's a little button here that you push to reload. It's quick. It's really quick. It's quicker than Firebase, I've been finding, because I've been building an app on Firebase and it's getting really complex. It's an AI powered app, and I'm going to be releasing it really soon. And there we go. So there you go, just like that. It's got the cool glow now. And yeah, I hope you guys like. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I got more cool videos coming soon. Thanks so much for watching.